Hello everyone! I'm glad to see you today. I'm Marvin G. Rentas. I'm very excited about today's topic. Did you know the different types of badminton stroke? Clear, drop, drive, and smash. Clear. Clear is a badminton shot that is close from your baseline towards the opponent baseline. Clear are hit high and deep are mostly means to prolong rally. First, forehand clear. Forehand clear are the made from the back of the court with a forehand grip on your badminton racket. Backhand clear. Backhand clear are more difficult to execute than forehand clear, which is why many beginners struggle to hit them properly. Third, underarm clear. Underarm clear usually played from the front court towards the opponent's baseline. Second is drop shot. Drop shot helps the player to move their opponent to specific areas of the court in order to catch them off guard and give them less control where they return the shuttlecock. Third, drive shot. Drive shot is hit hard on horizontal or slightly downward path, usually played down the side lane of the court. This is safe shot in badminton and it played currently it will force an opponent to hit an upward return giving the other player. The last is smash. Smash is probably the most attacking shot in badminton, and if executed well it is probably the most difficult shot to return, just because of the piece of the direction on the shuttle.